Hi everybody, this is Sharon and
Tony Daddy,
aka Daddy, with Brothers at Play. I'm sorry we haven't seen you in a while. I lost the login info to get to our account, so that's why you haven't seen us in a while. I apologize, but luckily I found it and we're back. Today is May 9th, 2021. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms. And Tony got me some flowers. He knows that I like sunflowers because my mom loves sunflowers. And Daniel picked out some roses for me yesterday. And in addition to my Mother's Day present or gift, Tony has taken the liberty of getting me some boxes, and he is going to do some unboxing. I kind of have an idea as to what I think it is. I know whenever I see new egg, it means it's some kind of like computer parts stuff. Because I know that you always use new egg for like your computer supplies, right?
computer and electronics.
Computer and electronics. So I call that his nerd store. So, okay, so let's see. What do we at?
Well, today we have something special for everyone. I know Mama at Brothers at Play has always been asking for a computer. So today, she has her computer in pieces. So this one, we got her a nice case by Fractal Design. It's a Focus G.
Hey, like my first
case.
car, Focus.
The Focus.
Uh-huh.
The Focus in the memory there. And I got her, instead of her Focus is a black one, but instead of a black case, I ended up getting her a white case.
Oh, okay.
For differentiability. So, without further ado, let's take out some of these components and see what's inside. Let's see what Mama Play got.
Mama Play? Okay. Well, this wasn't what I had in mind. I was thinking of go to Best Buy and buy a computer type thing. You know, you spend what, like $1,000 or something?
I did.
On a computer?
I had taken the kids there last weekend to see what good old Best Buy has to offer, and for $1,700 they were trying to sell a gaming desktop computer that is not half as good as this computer, because the computer they were offering was a Ryzen 5 computer, and well, that wasn't good enough for my mama.
Uh-huh. Okay, hold on. Okay, whew, I feel like I just gave birth to a box.
And through the magic of editing, it is now out of the box.
Okay, now with what?
Through the magic of editing.
Oh yeah, there we go. See, it's out of the box now.
Out of the box.
Oh my goodness, I've never seen a white. Oh, mother. Oh.
Which is why I got a white one, because I also have never seen a white computer.
That's cool. And what are these called? Towers? Boxes? Cartridges?
This is the home where the computer, where all the parts of the computer go. And this will be my 4th computer that I built.
Oh, okay.
My whole life. My whole lifetime.
Okay, let's see. Focus G,
here?
user guide.
This is a mid-tower case.
A mint or mid?
Mid-tower.
So what does that
It's a
mean?
full tower case. It's a full tower case, which means that it can pretty much house anything and everything that you want to put in here. It's great for expendability, that you can use it for. It's basically good future-proof size.
Oh, okay.
It has a side.
Like to add more things?
Yes, to add more things, to expand it. It has a clear side case here so you can see what's inside with cool light ups. I know that Mom is a little bit old school and old fashioned, so I wanted to make sure that I get her some drive bays for CD, DVD viewing here.
Yep, as you can tell, you can see my old school phone.
Because I noticed that a lot of cases now, they don't come with these anymore. It's just completely flat.
Oh, it is?
Because a lot of people tend to think that they're only going to use USB now, USB sticks or memory sticks.
Oh,
now,
for
but
ports? And that's it?
yeah, for saving or doing whatever, but we still like to use our computers to watch movies connected to the TV and so forth. So it's like our little multimedia
Oh, okay.
system here.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I like to burn CDs. I like, I don't know what I like. Okay. What's next?
So, we got
Okay,
our
wait,
trusty
hold on.
tools.
Let's put this, you want to put this one down on the floor? Because I can't see you.
Yes.
Okay, so what's this on top? Okay, so I know that's the power button.
Mm-hmm, that's a reset button.
Okay, and that's, I guess, the power light.
That's your LED. That's your hard drive light letting you know when it's reading the hard drive.
Okay,
That's a earphone,
okay.
That's
There's a
a microphone.
microphone.
a USB 2.0, and a USB 3.0.
Ooh, I've never heard of that. A 3.0?
Built in, yes.
Oh, okay. All right, what's next?
Built in.
What's next?
Next in our unboxing of boxes here is a Seasonic Focus GX 650 watt 80 plus gold fully modular power supply.
Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so this is what you said.
So here is what
Here's
we have.
another Focus.
It's
It's a GX 650. This is the Focus theme going on here. Maybe I should name my computer Focus. Okay. And so what's this?
So this is the power supply that's going to power this computer, this beast of a computer. Here's a quick picture of it there. And momentarily we're going to take it out of the box.
Okay.
Now this is a gold unit, so
Okay.
it's very efficient. 650 watts, so Mama at Play can play her video games when she's at play.
Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. Okay, so see, this is how Dad opens things. I would be like, "Brah," but then I might break something. And so what's the function of this thing?
This
You said
is
it powers?
Yes.
And
here
what
we have
else?
Some zip ties and
Okay,
some.
alright. Instructions.
This is the heart of the system.
Oh, I thought the motherboard's the heart of the system.
As you can see here, heart of the system.
Where? Oh.
Well, the motherboard is pretty important because that's where everything goes connected, but without the power supply unit here, the motherboard isn't going to do very much because this is what actually powers
Oh.
the unit. So this is the power box. This is some sort of this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 12-pin adapter, maybe possibly for a video card of some sort.
Oh.
And here's the actual power cord.
I know this is a power cord. Woohoo! I got 1 point.
And then here are our different adapters, different power units for plugging into the motherboard, for plugging into the video card,
Okay.
for plugging your fan controllers, for plugging in your anything and everything having to do with power is basically going to have to do with these cords here. And what's good about this one is that this one's completely neat. As you can see, there are no cables, any wires coming out from this box.
Okay.
So this is going to be like a really, really neat looking computer.
Yeah. Why, there's normally
Because-
wires that come out?
The only wires you have to use are the wires that you actually need. So you won't have extra wires taking
Oh,
up
okay.
space in your box.
Okay. Next. So quick question, how long's that 3.0 USB port gonna last me? Like, what's,
That's a good question.
until they come
Depends.
out with a new one?
Yeah,
New,
so far they haven't come up with 4.0 or anything of that sort that I know of, but 3.0 is the latest that I've seen and heard, and it's still coming out. It's still coming as part of computer cases.
oh, okay. Okay, so what is this one?
Okay. So this, I know that Mom's always wanted some computer storage.
Yeah, I need lots of computer
And with
storage.
this is a Seagate Barracuda
Okay.
2 terabyte green hard drive. So Mom will be able to store her pictures and videos and anything else that she needs on there.
So why is it green? What other colors do they just,
They have blue, they have black.
and that's just based on like the quality of the setup? Like the different models?
Yes, it's basically with speed. You know, with
Oh.
green you have it's pretty low speed, but the drive will be reliable. With blue, you have a little bit of faster speed, but it goes with a little bit less storage space. And then with black, it's like pretty much kind of like the fastest you can get in a mechanical drive. And let me point that out, is that this is a mechanical drive, which means it has moving parts inside, spinning parts. And this is a 870 EVO Samsung SSD drive, which means it has no moving parts, no spinning parts, and those are ultra fast. So what I decided to do on this build is to put the operating system and any immediate programs that mom would want to use on here, and then maybe some video editing software, so she can use this kind of as a scratch disk, so the computer can instantly transfer files. And when mom's done with the files, then she can move them on over to the hard drive for general storage. So this will improve in speeds and in video editing speeds. As you can see, it's 560 megabytes per second.
Okay, whatever that means.
In terms of read speed and write speed, it's 530 megabytes per second. So this is an 870 EVO from Samsung solid state drive, 250 gigabyte capacity.
Oh, okay. Next. Okay, and so now what do we have here?
So here we have the motherboard. I chose the TUF Gaming Motherboard X570 Plus. It has built-in Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi?
So hopefully we'll see how that goes, and if not, then I had ordered mom an extra wireless duelist band PCI Express adapter in case this one's not powerful enough.
Okay. You mean I'm gonna get zapped more?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
And this one, here we have our RAM.
Okay.
We have the G-Skill Ripjaws RAM. This is 8 gigabytes by 2, total of 16 gigabytes.
Okay.
Now this motherboard.
So what's the difference between those gigabytes and terabytes? I thought that green thing was terabyte stuff.
Right. So this is your RAM. This is your random access memory, and this is short-term storage.
Short-term.
And then this is your more long-term storage.
Oh, okay.
So this motherboard here, as I believe, is able to go up to 120 gigabytes.
So I could tweak it later and add more?
Yes, you can always expandability. And here we have the heart of the motherboard, which is the AMD Ryzen 7 Series 3700X. The X means that it can be overclocked.
Okay.
So besides it being, I don't know, I think this was like a 4 gigahertz processor.
Yeah.
This can go maybe overclocked to like 4.4 gigahertz. No, it's 3.6 gigahertz base speed, which can be overclocked to 4.4 gigahertz.
Okay.
So here we have the Ryzen, and the PCs over there at Best Buy, they basically only had Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 3s, and this is a Ryzen 7 8-core processor.
Oh.
And here we have old-fashioned DVD reader
Player?
player.
Oh, okay.
Here we have
Is it a Blu-ray too?
I wasn't sure. I'm not sure. I wasn't sure on that.
Okay.
Here we have our thermal compound for mounting our cooler unit here. This is going to keep
What is this, like a car?
This is going to keep, yes, exactly. This is a heat sink in which, here we are, the pipes there. This goes mounted directly to the PC face here.
Okay.
This goes directly on top, which the heat dissipates through the fins here. And there's another blower fan right here that's attached. See the cool RGB LED lighting?
Okay.
This will blow the hot air out and dissipate it from the fins. So instead of like your car, which you're moving through the road, which dissipates the heat, we have an artificial fan here to move the heat along for us. And last but not least, really quick.
I only need one fan?
No, your computer here has built-in fans already
Oh.
to move heat along in and
Oh,
out.
okay.
So here for video editing, I chose the Fire Pro Graphics V5900. This is
Okay.
pretty good for video editing. And it has two DVI ports here and one digital older school port here. This is We have a few older monitors. And to take care of these two ports here, I have adapters.
Oh, okay.
So we have DVI adapters here, and another DVI adapter here.
Oh,
so
okay.
We can have a total. You can pretty much.
Yeah, we have like some old monitors, and I'd love to get like the newer monitors, but I like sticking with the old monitors because Daniel is very rough, and he still thinks that like every monitor is touchscreen. So he keeps poking at the screens, and I've already lost like one TV, one computer monitor because he keeps touching, and then he gets the toys and he rams them against the screen. So I'm just waiting to get rid of all my old monitors, and then and then I can start getting the newer versions. Okay.
So me, Daddy, Brothers at Play, I'm very excited about this build, and we'll let you know how it comes out.
Okay. Well, I mean, this all looks great. Just need to put it together, right?
That's right. And one more time.
Okay, so wait. Okay, so I had asked Tony to go look at computers for me, because now that I'm doing like the little YouTube channel, and I wanted to do video editing and whatnot, I wanted him to go and look into computers. So he ended up going to Best Buy, and like he was saying earlier, you were going to have to shell out $1,700, and it wasn't even half the amount of storage, capacity, or how fast speed, fast, aka speed. And I mean, I'm out $1,700. And I mean, were those desktops or laptops?
Desktops, and then that was pretty much it. I mean, they had, that one was supposed to be their high-end one. It was an Asus Republic of Gamers, gaming computer, and then they had those little smaller computers that were no bigger than this box total. Those were selling for about $400 and $500, but those had i3s, Ryzen 3s, and the highest was Ryzen 5 and i5s, and those were still selling between $400 and $700.
Dad, you're not wearing a skirt. You're wearing an apron.
So multitasking here is what I'm wearing.
Yeah, Tony made me breakfast. He made me my favorite apple slices with pancake, and I mean with cinnamon. It sounds gross, but it's absolutely delicious with some scrambled eggs. And then I got a foot massage. He massaged my hooves for half an hour, and I passed out. I knocked out and went to sleep. And then he went and made some yummy quesadillas and some salsa. And so when I woke up, it was time to eat again, and then I went back to sleep. That's perfect Mother's Day so far. Thank you.
Have this computer ready today, but what I wanted to do was, before the pandemic had happened, was that I wanted to build this computer, but then everybody stopped working, and the prices of computer parts, they pretty much went through the roof. I mean, computer parts,
chips
simple
and stuff.
RAM, they were basically 3 to 4 times the price. So I put a halt on it, and I took a look at it a year and a half later, see how the parts prices were doing. They pretty much came back down. So I figured it was the perfect time to get Mother her computer.
Well, thank you, Daddy. We'll see how it goes. We'll do a part 2 video, and we'll see how it goes. I'm super excited. I've been using the boys' computer, and we've been sharing, and now, I mean, Matthew had his computer. Now, Tony built Matthew a computer that's good for the next 10 years, and Daniel inherited Matthew's computer. And I'm kind of fighting with Daniel with that computer. So, I mean, it's time for me to get my own. And besides that, I don't want him to delete something that I don't want him to delete. So I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. You're welcome to give feedback. Dad, thank you. Best Mother's Day ever. I appreciate it. And thank you. And we'll see you in the next video.
Everyone.
Bye.